Hey, I hope your day's going great. What did you say? You said that the fourth graders at Mount Hope Nanjemoy are going to go home with an amazing backpack filled with amazing activities that you can do over the summer? Well, I got one right here. Hey, we're about to go over all of the amazing materials that are included in your orange backpack. All you fourth graders going to fifth grade, this is going to be getting you ready for your fifth grade year. The first thing included is a Summer Brain Quest workbook. It's designed to kind of stop the summer slide, okay? It's preparing students for their fifth grade year. So students are going to begin with a guide that'll guide them through their grade level activities. These activities are going to be based on reading, writing, math, social studies, health, PE, art, science, all those subjects that they had all year long. The workbook also includes bonus challenges, outside activities, a summer reading list, and a brain mini deck. Next is the Family Engagement Math Pack. This includes instructions in English and Spanish. It has materials for 15 different hands-on games. We also have a wooden tower puzzle and marker. This is to practice numbers and sight words. There's also a book that I think you're gonna like. All right, so stay tuned as we look at all this and I give you some ideas. All right, kids, going into fifth grade, each of these materials are not meant to teach you new skills. What they are is just to try to build on what you've already learned in fourth grade to get you ready for fifth grade so you don't slide back. Man, I wish I had this stuff when I was going to school. I had nothing like this. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to show you the first thing. All right. So looking at this is your Summer Brain Quest. So this is for you guys going from fourth to fifth grade. And you have a little letter in here that's to your parents that tells you what it's all about. But going through this, you have everything in here. You start at level 1 and you work your way through. Okay, so this is pretty self-explanatory. Each of these pages has different activities on it. Okay, like right here, page 12 says, read about each rock or mineral's history, then label each mineral sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic. Okay, so it has you reading about them and then labeling them. This is a reading and science activity all in one. All right, it has math. It just jumps around. Next page is all about math, division. Look at that. Gives you level 1 complete when you finish that, and then it keeps on going. We have, if you look at our table of contents right here, it goes all the way up. Level 1, 2, and then 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, 5A, 5B, 6A, 6B. Okay, and then it keeps on going. You have so many pages of activities in this. Like I said, I wish I would have had this. Look at this, the water cycle. Man, this is really important for my farm right now. Outside, it's raining and we needed it. These are all activities that parents can do with their kids, and this is awesome, guys. Stay completely into it while you're over the summer so you don't slip back and forget about all these things. You can't just be playing video games all summer, guys. You got to get into this stuff. Really excited about it. This is the Family Engagement Math Pack. All right, and I'm looking through here and I found something that I absolutely love. Going from 4th to 5th grade, crucial age for fractions. These visual model fraction cards, you can play all kinds of games with these. I'm going to show you something you can do. One thing that you can really work on is you can go through and try to find all the equivalent fractions. So here is a fraction that represents 1/2 because we have 1 out of 2 shaded. So I'm going to go through here and find and see how quickly I can find all of the fractions that are equivalent to this fraction. It could be a race. You could time each other, okay? So I'm going to do it as quick as I possibly can. All the ones that equal 1/2. Okay, ready? Oop, there's 1/2. That's 2/4 equals 1/2. Nope, can't do that one. Oh, 3/6, that equals 1/2. Oh, 4/8, 1/2. Okay, we're looking for 5/10. 5/10. There's 5/10 equals 1/2. This must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're looking for 6/12. 6/12. 4, 5/12. Whoa, no, that's 6/12. Sorry. Oh, that's it. Okay, so we have all of them. That took me, I don't know, I didn't keep track of my time. But we have all of the fractions cards, the models that are equivalent to 1/2. Okay. And you can see they kind of line up and they're equivalent to each other. 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10, and 6/12. All right, another game you can play with this is mix all these up. Okay, and you can give your child or a friend a bunch of cards. Let me mix them up even more, like we're playing cards here. You can give them a whole bunch of cards face down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then have them put them in order from least to greatest. So they would have to use their visual models to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, that's 2. Oh, that looks like more. Oh, that's way more. That's more. Oh, that was easy. That was too easy. All right, so we can see the shaded region gets bigger and bigger as we go down. You could also figure out which fraction tiles are greater, so you could battle each other back and forth. Okay, so that's a great kind of card game. That's a great card game to play. This is one that's really cool. The next one is the tower. Okay, kind of like if you've ever seen the game Jenga. All right, this is a mini version of it. You take them out of the plastic. You gotta be very careful because they will all tumble out. Let me see if I can do it without having them all tumble out. Nope. Take the plastic off. So I'm just gonna do one of them right now, okay? What's really cool about this is in the directions it tells you that you can put a math fact on it or do a sight word, and it gives you a whole list of the math facts and sight words. The sight words are up top. Sight words are on this page right here. Math facts are on the next page. Look at that, I already dropped stuff over. But I had a great idea thinking about this. You can actually put a math fact on one side and sight words on the other side. So if you wanted to do your multiplication facts, you could do 5 times 6, okay, which would equal 30, and then do one of your sight words on the other side. You guys are, some of you are, let me see, going from 3, 4, and 5, some sight words that you should do, like laugh. Okay, so then you can write that on the other side. So you can then do a combination. While you're playing the games and following the directions, you can answer the math fact, and then if it pops up and it has a sight word on it, then you can read the sight word. Both things. All right, guys, and last, there's a book included, and it is all about the adventures of someone that really wanted to be an engineer. So you can check that out right there. It's called Whoosh, and I think you're gonna like it. So I'm hoping that you guys take full advantage of your backpack that you're gonna get this summer. Going into 5th grade, please do me a favor and work through it. Please don't just throw it off to the side. Make sure you're working in it. It's really going to help you with all those skills that you're going to need for 5th grade. All right, and remember, I'm going to remind you, this isn't to be teaching new skills. This is to work through things that you've already learned and to get you prepared for that 5th grade year. All right, guys, you rock out this summer and have a good 5th grade year. Later.